Hey, this is John with the Utopia Experience. So we just got done harvesting some bananas, as you can tell. But from here, we want to head up and check out our raised permaculture beds. So if you want to follow me, we'll check it out. So these beds, they need a lot of love. We're definitely looking for someone with a green thumb that's really into permaculture. So we have right now, like I said, hello Sassy, hello Mango, how are you? Oh yes, these are our dogs. So we have Mango, Sassy, Kiwi, yes, all rescues. We have like 8 of them all together. So actually they adopted us off of the street. So here we have these raised beds. We actually built these at the beginning of the pandemic. It was kind of a funny story. We had about 60 guests and everybody got stuck here. So we weren't really sure what was going to happen. And at that point in time, we were running Utopia more as just a hostel, really not focusing too much on going self-sustaining, growing our foods and whatnot. We were creating the food forest already, but weren't really focusing on gardens. So at the beginning of the pandemic, everybody was kind of freaking out. How long is this going to last? And all of the guests helped us actually build these beds. We'll cut in and we'll show you some clips of we just took off our cell phone when we were building these. It was pretty fun team effort.
Awesome. Best day of my life.
What we have growing here, like I said, very basic stuff. It's actually just a wild mint, amazing in teas. We have a climbing spinach. Right now, mostly spinach is growing here. So it's a climbing spinach, and then just a very leafy spinach. We also have some cucumbers, and we've had some luck with zucchinis and some other squashes, but that's about it. Of course, we haven't dedicated a ton of time to it. We really need a full-time person with a green thumb. So if you know anybody, share this video with them. If you want, we can come up and just look at the upper beds as well, just to kind of give you an idea. We have some composting going on. So if you want, follow me and we'll head up to the next tiered area here. Hello? So we got the guys cleaning up the area today. We had some really heavy rain, so they're kind of just cleaning up around. But back here we have some composting going on. We also have a lot of moringa trees. I'm not sure if you're familiar with that, but this here particular tree right here is a moringa tree. It's amazing. We harvest the leaves and we make a tea with it. So I'm going to make a specific video just on moringa in the near future. We also have a lot of lemongrass growing up here. Ginger is also planted in the area. But basically these beds we're just cleaning them up and we're going to get ready to start planting. We're planning on doing a lot of more root vegetables in here, some carrots, some potatoes, and just see what we can get out of these beds. The soil is actually really good. We created this we created it with IMO, Korean natural farming. That's another thing we're going to be making some videos on in the really near future, how to regenerate soil. So these particular beds, these particular raised beds here, we also created them as wicking beds. So we have 16 inches of soil, and then underneath that we have another 16-inch catch basin. So what we did is we dug down 16 inches, we lined that with a plastic lining, we filled that with gravel, and then we have laid cloth basically on top of the rocks, and then we have 16 inches of really well treated soil. So it's very soft and very nutrient rich. Like I said, and it's all been treated with IMOs. So once again, we're going to be making some videos on IMOs in the real near future. So if you're interested in that, hit that like and subscribe button. So anyways, that about finishes it up for this video. I hope you found it interesting. If you did, please hit that like and subscribe. Share it with anyone that you think would find it interesting. And if you know anyone that is interested in coming and living in the jungle for an extended period of time, 2 to 6 months, that would really be interested in helping us get these gardens off the ground. And we have a lot of other areas for growing vegetables. We're looking for you. So hope to see you soon. Have a great day.